ugly, out of date. This is ridiculous. If I can't find something nice to wear, I'm not going. Ooh. Ah. That's it, I'm not going.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Grinch makeup tutorial, as you can see. If you want to see how I created it, then please just keep on watching. So as I'm going to be the Grinch, I'm going to be painting my whole face green. I'm going to be using my 12 colour flash palette. This is the Makeup Forever dupe and it is so good. I really recommend it. And I'll leave it linked down below. I got it from Amazon. So I'm going to be using this green colour, and then to make it dark I'm just going to mix in with the black. But I've already made my colour. So I've just taken that green and a little bit of the white just to lighten it up a little bit. And I think I'm literally just going to be putting this all over my face like I would a foundation. So I'm literally just going to dot it everywhere. And then I'm going to take a makeup sponge and I'm going to press that out. These are so pigmented, these face paints. I absolutely love them. Like, if you can't afford the Makeup Forever, because they are quite expensive, then literally I really recommend these. Try and get as close to the hairline as you can. I'm going to get the ear area. So now that we look like the Hulk, it's now time to do all the detailing and shaping of the face to make me look like the Grinch. So I have added some black into that green face paint, just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm just going to take my lip brush to do this with, and I'm just going to pick up some of that dark green. And I'm actually going to very, very lightly contour with this, just to sort of like shape my face just a little bit more. So I'm going to do it where, like, obviously where you'd normally contour, around the forehead, under the cheekbones. And I'm actually going to take this on my eyelid as well, just so it darkens that up a bit. And I'm just going to blend that out with the same sponge that I've been using. So using the same dark green colour that I just used to contour with, I'm going to start by carving out the shape of the brow. So I'm going to start by coming underneath where my natural brow is. And then I'm going to have a little line that flicks up. That's coming up into the forehead area, like middle of the eyebrows, up into the forehead area. And then I'm going to take a clean brush. This is just a flat shader brush, but it's dry, and I'm going to blend out this bottom line so it almost creates like a shadow. I'm going to keep that top line quite sharp. Just this bottom line here. Blending that out. And then I'm just going to continue this going up through my brow. And then I'm going to start to make an arch and then bring it back down to the end of the eyebrow like that. And then again with my clean brush, I'm going to blend this down towards the eye and brow area. So I'm still using the same dark green colour, and now I'm going to start to create the muzzle shape. I'm going to start in the middle of the nose and then drag it down either side, but I want it to be wider where the mouth area is. So I'm then going to take my dry brush and I'm going to start to blend out the outside line all the way around. So I'm now just going to do some detail around the eyes just to create a few wrinkles, and I'm also going to take a line underneath my eye, so like following my eye socket, so it looks like the eye is like sunken in a little bit, and again blend them out. To make the eyebrows look like they've got like real hairs on them, I'm going to take my eyebrow brush but pick up the same green face paint that we've been using. So I'm going to use really fine strokes all along the arch of the brow. The Grinch has a curl on the end of each eyebrow, so I'm just going to drag that up and then flick it back round on itself. I'm then going to do another smile line because his grin is so big. I'm going to do it exactly the same as the other one, but this time I'm not going to have a harsh line. I'm going to have both lines a little bit faded and blended out. I'm just going to add a few more wrinkles around my eye area just so it really looks like he's frowning, or that I'm frowning. Just dragging them into the centre each side. Then across the nose as well. I'm also going to do some on my forehead as well, so I'm going to sprinkle up my forehead so I can see like where the natural creases are, and then I'm just going to be following those. To darken the eyes more, I'm going to take this black NYX jumbo eyeliner, and I'm literally just going to line my really close to the lash line, and I'm just going to blend this over the lid just so it creates a little bit more depth and deepens up the eye. I'm then just going to take this black eyeshadow from my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette on this flat shader brush, and I'm just going to go over the top just to set that. And I'm going to take a really small amount of that eyeshadow just to blend underneath the eye as well. Now to create a little bit more depth to the face, I've picked up some black face paint, and just using the same lip brush, I'm going to pick up some of that. And I'm going to start by applying this underneath the underline of the eyebrow, and then again blend that out. This is all just going to create a lot more depth and shape to the face. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the like smile lines that I've got and around like the hollows of my eyes. I'm going to reapply the eyebrows again with the black paint, just using the same feathering motions as before. I'm just going to paint on some like eyelashes because he has got like really like pretty long eyelashes. So instead of using false ones, I'm just going to paint a couple on. I'm then going to paint his nose using that same dark green that we've been using for the face, and I'm just going to focus this nose onto the centre. I don't want to bring it out too wide, keeping it within the nostrils. I'm then going to grab some of that black and I'm going to apply that on the outside, still within the nose, but I'm just going to do like a shading on the outside. And apply a little on the nostril area just so it makes the nostrils look and appear a little bit larger. And then I'm just going to blend that out again with my dry brush. I'm going to take a little bit of white face paint just as like a highlight, and I'm going to pop that white face paint through the brows as well, just to sort of like break them up a little bit. And so you can see that there's sort of like individual hairs kind of. I'm going to take some more of that white and I'm going to just apply just small little like highlights all along where all the creases are, like my wrinkles are, just to sort of highlight them even more. If that makes any sense. I'm just going to take back my sponge that still has a little bit of that green face paint on, and I'm going to go over my top lip just to cancel out any pink that I've got there. And then from my nose I'm going to draw the line that's going straight down to the centre of my lips. Just like that. And then I'm going to extend the sides of my mouth as well. I'm then just going to draw on the little dots where the whiskers would be. And then just going to put some pink lipstick on my bottom lip. So this is the final result. I all hope you enjoyed this Grinch makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for Christmas and I hope you are all too. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.